something important about the next generation of Meta smart glasses may have slipped past most people, and if the latest leaks are accurate, it could completely change how we think about wearable tech in 2025. The first two generations of Ray-Ban Meta glasses quietly tested the waters, but the third generation looks like the moment Meta finally pushes smart eyewear into the spotlight. According to multiple reports, insider discussions, and signals coming from the tech supply chain, Meta is preparing a far more ambitious version of its smart glasses for the next release. Instead of a simple upgrade, this next model appears to introduce features that could move the product from a niche gadget into something people actually use every day. If you enjoy staying ahead of the biggest tech developments and understanding what new devices really mean before everyone else, consider subscribing so you never miss the insights that actually matter. The biggest rumor surrounding the third generation is the addition of a built-in display directly inside the lens. And yes, that means information could appear right in front of your eyes while you're still looking at the real world. Early reports suggest that users might be able to see camera previews, incoming notifications, and other quick information without ever reaching for their phone. Imagine receiving a message, adjusting a camera shot, or checking alerts simply by glancing through your glasses. But before anyone imagines full science fiction holograms floating around the room, the technology being discussed is more practical than dramatic. The rumored display would likely cover only a portion of the user's field of view, functioning more like a heads-up interface than full augmented reality. Instead of replacing the real world, it would simply layer useful digital information on top of it. That balance could actually make the glasses more comfortable to use, because your normal vision remains uninterrupted while still gaining access to helpful features. If Meta manages to implement the display in full color, that would represent a major step forward. Even a subtle color interface would move the product closer to true augmented reality experiences. Compared to the current models, which focus mainly on camera recording, audio, and AI assistance, this will mark a clear shift toward a much more interactive device. Of course, adding a display introduces one of the biggest engineering challenges in wearable tech: battery life. The current Ray-Ban Meta glasses offer roughly 4 hours of active usage, which already feels limited for something meant to be worn throughout the day. A display naturally consumes additional power, so improving efficiency becomes critical. It is widely believed that Meta has been working on optimizing both hardware and software to extend battery performance without increasing the size or weight of the glasses. Another area many people are hoping to see improved is the camera system. The existing model includes a 12-megapixel camera that performs well for casual capture and AI-assisted features like visual recognition. But expectations for 2025 are higher. A sharper sensor, better image processing, and improved resolution could transform the glasses into a legitimate content creation tool. For creators who want to capture hands-free perspectives, upgrades like these could make the device significantly more useful. What makes these rumors even more interesting are comments that have come directly from Meta leadership. During the company's fourth quarter 2024 investor call, Mark Zuckerberg suggested that the coming year could represent a turning point for smart eyewear. While he did not reveal specific details, he described 2025 as a potentially decisive moment that could determine whether AI-powered glasses remain a niche product or grow into something used by hundreds of millions, possibly even billions of people. That statement reflects a much larger vision. Meta has already spent several years experimenting with smart glasses, releasing 2 generations since 2021, and gradually refining the concept. Each version has added new capabilities while quietly building user interest. Now, the third generation appears to be positioned as the real test of whether the technology can break into the mainstream. But even with exciting features, one factor could ultimately determine success or failure: price. If Meta wants these glasses to move beyond tech enthusiasts and into everyday life, affordability will matter just as much as innovation. A competitive price could transform a product from a novelty into a practical lifestyle device that people actually consider buying. When you step back and look at everything together, the timing feels significant. A built-in display, stronger cameras, improving AI integration, and growing industry momentum all point to a major moment for smart eyewear. If the leaks prove accurate, the third generation of Meta's Ray-Ban glasses could mark the beginning of a much larger shift in how people interact with technology throughout their day. This channel is for viewers who want to stay ahead of major technology trends before they become obvious to everyone else. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.